If you're looking for a stable career in the tech industry with growth potential, software development is one of the most lucrative career paths you can take. In this video, we're going to show you the best programming languages to learn to get started or further your career in the coming new year. Python. Python is currently the most in-demand programming language to learn. That's good news, as it's also one of the most accessible. Several of the internet's biggest sites were developed using Python. Pinterest, YouTube, and SurveyMonkey are all built around the popular programming language. Numerous Python frameworks are also highly in demand. Django, Flask, Pyramid, and TurboGears are all popular web frameworks developed with Python. JavaScript. JavaScript is popular for building front-end web applications. It's used for some of the most popular technological tools of recent years. Node.js is built with JavaScript, for instance. JavaScript isn't terribly expensive to implement, given the number of resources available for the language. This makes it popular with startups and entrepreneurs. If you're wanting to work with small and independently owned businesses, JavaScript is a useful language to learn. Java. Java is a popular language for Android app development. It's mainly useful for building large web applications. If you're wanting to go into the business sector, Java is a useful language to know. Java is a very stable language. This makes it popular for a lot of larger businesses. This means there's a lot of job prospects if you're proficient with Java. Android itself is actually built with Java. There's a large demand for Android apps at the moment. Google's Android Studios is a Java-based web framework. Learning Java will unlock a wide array of career opportunities. PHP. PHP is a popular language for back-end development. PHP is a hypertext processing language that is open sourced and used as a general scripting language for web applications. PHP is also useful for embedding HTML code from the server side. While PHP isn't quite as trending as Python or JavaScript, its popularity among larger businesses and corporations still make it worthwhile to learn if you're trying to get a job in the corporate sector. C++. Nearly every basic function of computer operating systems is written in C++. That makes it incredibly fast and stable to use. C++ has also been widely used for decades. It's got an extensive library of templates, algorithms, and data structures. There's also a vibrant community of C++ programmers that can help you with any problem you might encounter. Many of the most popular software applications are written in C++ as well. Both Microsoft Windows and Google Chrome are written in C++. Kotlin. Kotlin was adopted as one of the official languages that Android uses. Considering its usefulness in integrating with Java, this makes it one of the best programming languages to learn in and of itself. As Kotlin begins to phase out Java, it's only going to become more widespread. Kotlin is useful for Android development, web development, desktop development, and server-side development. Tech jobs are the way of the future. Market forces like globalization and automation won't go back in the bottle. You've got to prepare for the future. Learning development and how to write code will help you future-proof your career. At CodeAssess, we love helping programmers and developers gain the tools and resources they need to thrive in their careers. Whether you're looking for the best programming languages to learn or how to hire the top coding talent, coding tests will help you and your business make the most of tech and stay competitive in today's digital economy. Visit our site to make the most of your technical career today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.